Okay, welcome back to another video. This is going to be my best video yet. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can get 10,000 followers in 1 month. Although this is extremely difficult, it's not impossible. I have done it, I know people have done it, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it today. So sit back and relax, and make sure you take notes if you want to, just so you can remember some of the stuff I talk about. So the first thing is consistency is key. If you want to get 10,000 in 1 month on a new Instagram theme page, you need to commit to this page and actually truly enjoy what you're talking about and what you're posting content about. Because if you don't even care about the content, you're really not going to be able to go viral because you don't know what's going to go viral in this niche. And the only way you can get 10K in 1 month is you need to go viral quick. And and the only way for you to be able to do it is you need to know what you're actually talking about. To get 10K in a month, you need to sacrifice 1 hour a day or even more if you want to hit the goal. And you need to do a lot of research about what's going to do well in that niche. And you also have to be patient. If you're not patient, you might not hit it in 1 month, but maybe you get 10K in 2 months, which is still really, really good. So the method, so from 0 followers to 4,000 followers, you're going to be using follow for follow. I've talked about follow for follow hundreds of times. You can look at my previous videos if you want. I have full in-depth explanations for it. But essentially, what you're doing is you're following uh, people that are interested in your niche, and you're going to follow them. They're going to see that you follow them. They're going to scroll through your account, and they're going to like what they see, and they're going to follow you back. So, also a general rule of thumb is if you follow 100 people, 40 people should follow you back. So, about a 40% follow back rate. So, just keep that in mind, and also watch my other videos so you actually know and actually know how to implement it. And then from 4,000 to 6,000 followers, you're going to be using a hybrid system, which is you're going to be using some follow for follow and then also a lot of organic. Because something most people don't know is when you're at 4,000 followers on Instagram, Instagram likes to pick up your content and push it out to a whole bunch of new people because you're officially like an experienced account and stuff like that. So you should just know that. And then once you hit 6K, you can still do follow for follow method, but I don't really recommend it because Instagram's just going to be picking up your content so much you won't need it. It's not even worth your time anymore. So from 6K to 10K, you're going to just be using organic. So the main grind is you have to get to 4K. Once you're at 4K, Instagram will just help you out a bunch and they'll just be doing so much for you. It'll just be ridiculous. So that's the goal. Get to 4K. Instagram will literally do the rest. So keynotes is I'll make a step by step walkthrough in kind of a challenge video if this video gets 50 likes. So I'll basically get an account to 10K within a month, and then I'll even give away the account. So please share this video and like it, and you might even win a free 10,000 follower account from me. If you want me to run and grow your business or create your Instagram page, DM me. My username's in the caption. Subscribe if this video helped you. I do a lot of stuff about Instagram theme pages, Instagram growth, and a lot of stuff like that. Drop any comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. I try to get to all the comments. And thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.